Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Brenda Gantt Cookbook is probably one of the most beloved Southern cookbooks among home cooks and professional chefs, offering a delightful journey through classic recipes passed down through generations, with its detailed instructions and mouth-watering photographs, making it an indispensable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting your culinary adventure, this book promises to transform your cooking experience and bring the warmth of Southern hospitality to your table. Number 5. Barefoot Contessa Cookbook. This cookbook brings you Ina Garten's take on classic dishes. It's filled with recipes that are both comforting and sophisticated. Reimagine your favorite meals with these updated recipes. They're perfect for weeknight dinners or special occasions. Even if you're a beginner cook, you'll find these recipes easy to follow. The results are always delicious and impressive. It has recipes for every meal of the day. Find inspiration for brunches, lunches, dinners, and everything in between. These recipes are designed to bring people together. Share them with family and friends and create lasting memories. Learn from Ina's expertise with helpful tips and tricks throughout the book. It's more than just recipes, it's a culinary education. What we like? It features simple yet sophisticated recipes, perfect for everyday cooking. If you're looking for delicious, approachable meals that impress, this cookbook is for you. It's ideal for home cooks who want to elevate their weeknight dinners without spending hours in the kitchen. What people say. Garten reimagines some old favorites, like the lobster BLT, perhaps the BLT we've all been waiting for in our lives. She starts us off with cocktails, because of course she does. There is a hot spiced apple cider, ultimate Bloody Marys, and pomegranate gimlets along with some nibbles to get the party started. Offering up modern takes on some of her favorite sides and vegetables, there are roasted broccolini and cheddar, charred carrots, cheddar and scallion creamed corn, celery root and cauliflower puree, Provençal zucchini gratin, Emily's English roasted potatoes and outrageous garlic bread. Number 4. Cook's Country Cookbook. It's here. This cookbook contains every recipe and review from all 14 seasons of Cook's Country TV show. Get ready to elevate your cooking. That's right, 14 years of tested recipes are compiled into this one incredible resource. You'll find something new to cook every night of the week. Each recipe has been rigorously tested in our kitchen, ensuring delicious results every time. You can trust it to work. It's not just a collection of recipes, it includes reviews and ratings from the show. You'll know exactly what to expect before you even start cooking. This cookbook is your passport to culinary adventure. It's time to expand your cooking skills and impress your friends and family. Get your copy today. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, it has something for everyone. Find recipes that fit your skill level and your taste. What we like? This cookbook offers a vast collection of time-tested recipes from a beloved TV show. If you appreciate traditional American cooking and enjoy familiar flavors, this is the perfect choice. It's a must-have for those who love exploring diverse culinary traditions. What people say. Each recipe includes the tips they give on the show. The recipes are written clearly and most have pictures. Of all the America's Test Kitchen cookbooks I've looked through, this one is my favorite, for the best variety of recipes and for its eye-pleasing layout. There's one recipe per page in nice large letters, with a picture of the finished product on the opposite page. Very neat and tidy. This cookbook has the recipes of 14 seasons of Cook Country. They are easy to follow and the best part is that they are delicious, especially when one follows the recipe. Number 3. Magnolia Table Volume 2. Welcome to Magnolia Table, Volume 2. This cookbook is filled with recipes perfect for bringing people together. It's more than just a cookbook, it's a guide to creating warm and inviting gatherings with delicious food. It features recipes for everyday meals and special occasions, ensuring there's something for everyone. The recipes are simple to follow, yet they produce incredibly delicious results, perfect for any skill level. With this cookbook, you can create delicious meals and lasting memories with loved ones. Gather around the table and enjoy. It includes recipes perfect for any time of year, so you can enjoy delicious food no matter the season. Not only are the recipes amazing, but the cookbook itself is beautifully presented, making it a joy to use. What we like. It's filled with heartwarming recipes ideal for creating memorable gatherings. If you enjoy Southern-inspired cuisine and love hosting friends and family, this cookbook will become a staple. It's perfect for those who want to share delicious food and create a welcoming atmosphere. What people say. The recipes are thoughtfully curated, ensuring both novice cooks and seasoned chefs can find joy in preparing these dishes. The book is visually stunning, with gorgeous photography that captures the essence of each dish. The images are not only appetizing but also provide a helpful guide for how the final product should look. The recipes are easy to follow and delicious, the ones I've tried. Number 2. Disney Parks Cookbook. Get ready to recreate the tastes of Disney parks right in your own kitchen. This cookbook is your passport to culinary enchantment. Learn the secrets behind that iconic Dole Whip. It's easier than you think to make this refreshing treat at home. Master the art of the perfect Mickey pretzel. This recipe will have you creating theme park favorites in no time. With 100 Disney-inspired recipes, it's a treasure trove of culinary adventures. Each dish is a journey to the most magical place on Earth. It's the perfect gift for Disney fans and home cooks alike. Share the magic of Disney parks with everyone you know. It has something for everyone, from quick snacks to delicious entrees. You'll find recipes to satisfy every craving. Gather your ingredients and let's begin. It's time to bring the magic of Disney into your kitchen. What we like. It brings the magic of Disney parks into your kitchen with unique and fun recipes. If you're a Disney fan or looking for creative dishes to wow your guests, this is it. It's great for those who want to add a touch of whimsy and excitement to their cooking. What people say. An array of recipes is provided and there are many lovely photos to accompany them. Add in a bit of Disney history, a bunch of fun facts and some helpful tips and tricks and you have yourself a solid cookbook that educates and entertains. Has a lot of recipes I was looking for. The directions are easy to follow, plenty of color photos, and although an unofficial Disney Parks cookbook, still holds up to Disney standards. With pages to guide you through. There's a list of needed cook's essentials, recipes, as churros, beignet, mint juleps, crepes, clam chowder, blue and green milks, Mickey pretzels, frozen chocolate-covered bananas, corn dogs, Dole Whip, Mickey waffles and flavored popcorns, with yet much, much more. Number 1. ATK Cooking for 2. Tired of cooking for one? This cookbook makes it simple and delicious. It's packed with recipes perfect for couples or anyone who wants smaller portions. That's right, 650 recipes. You'll find everything from quick weeknight meals to impressive dinner parties. There's something for every taste and skill level. Short on time? It has plenty of recipes ready in under 30 minutes. Enjoy delicious home-cooked meals without the fuss. Want to wow your friends with a fancy dinner? It also includes recipes for special occasions. It's your go-to guide for culinary success. This cookbook is part of the trusted ATK series, known for its reliable recipes and clear instructions. You can trust it to deliver delicious results every time. No more leftovers. It features recipes perfectly sized for two. Say goodbye to food waste and hello to delicious, perfectly portioned meals. What we like. It provides a wide variety of delicious recipes designed for two. If you're cooking for 1 or 2 people and want to avoid leftovers, this cookbook is perfect for you. It's ideal for couples or individuals who enjoy cooking at home but don't want to cook large portions. What people say. I get most of my other recipes from Epicurious.com and Food Network and, as with other reviews, I was looking for smaller portions for my boyfriend and I, which helps with the waistline, and if a recipe is a dud, no major loss and unwanted leftovers. Overall, the recipes have been good and fun to put together. I have used techniques and dishes I would not normally have known about or considered. My finest achievements were maple glazing a pork chop, serving 2 delicious lava-style cakes so easy, and preparing sole meuniere, all restaurant quality if directions are followed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.